Today, we have our global top 15 leader. One of them belongs to India. He's at Sapphire executive title, Mr. P.N. Kamini Jha from Kolkata. They have received the highest cash award title at 14.4 lakh, and they also draw 90 lakh as annual income. They travel world 3 times with their family, and they truly live a life which Oriflame says freedom that you deserve and you want to live life as. We also offer as a part of our success plan and some offerings as in cars. People can take a Honda City, BMW and 3 Mercedes Benz. This is some things which money can buy. There are a lot of things which Oriflame offers which even money cannot buy, like recognition on big stage, at national and international level, personality development and self-growth. All these things are offered via our business opportunity which says make money today and fulfill your dreams tomorrow. And it is very essential that in India specifically, it should be very easy to join. So that's what we offer. There's no investment which is required of you, and all the support and growth that you need to become successful in Oriflame, Oriflame offers through its own trainings and system which offers personal growth as well. We offer quality products at an affordable price and an education how to recommend the usage and the selling part. We also have attractive catalog which makes selling very, very easy. Also, we are a company with a human touch because this is a business of emotions and people. We also offer earning and career opportunity for people, and this is up to them how high they would like to go on success plan and how much they would like to earn. These are some of the dreams that people wish to achieve and achieve from Oriflame as well. It gives us as an organization great feeling of pride when our consultants and leaders, children go for education at a very, very good schools in India, and some of the top leaders even take their kids to a higher university level. The top leader, PNN Kamini Jha, was proud to send her daughter to Stanford through Oriflame money. There are people who shift from rented houses to big bungalows, all by Oriflame money. There is every kind of opportunity for people who wish to fulfill their dreams with Oriflame.